Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change windshield wipers on a Nissan Leaf. Lift the wiper arm, press the tab, slide the blade off, attach the new blade until it clicks. Wear gloves to avoid smudges and keep the arm stable to prevent glass contact. Test the new wipers with windshield washer fluid after lowering them. I will guide you step by step so you feel confident and safe. Start by positioning the wiper arm away from the windshield so you can work comfortably. Press the small release tab on the connector while holding the blade to prevent it from springing free. Slide the old blade straight off the adapter following the connector path. Inspect the arm hook for damage or corrosion and clean it with a cloth. Keeping the arm steady protects your windshield and makes installation easier and safer. Unpack the new blade and confirm the connector matches your Nissan Leaf adapter type. Hook the blade onto the arm and slide it until you feel and hear it lock into place securely. Lower the arm gently to avoid snapping the blade onto the glass. Activate the wipers and washer to confirm smooth, streak-free motion. If there is noise or missed areas, recheck the fit and alignment for a snug, correct installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.